Hello, good morning, everybody. Today's lecture is going to be about the writing stages in the writing process. So to begin, the writing process starts first with evaluating text. How do we understand the evaluating text? Having understood the title and made an outline, the next step is probably to read around the subject. Although a reading list may be given, it is still vital to be able to assess the usefulness of journal and books. So while we read the text, it is essential to ask ourselves the questions about the value of the text, whether it is valuable. So how does this text provide the value? So by asking the following questions, we can understand, we can evaluate the text. Is this text fact or opinion? So if fact, is it true? So we the questions follow the questions. If the text is based on the opinion, at the time we'll ask, do we agree with this opinion? Or can this writer be trusted? Or can this writer's argument or claim be substantiated or be trusted? So this is the main vital characteristics of the evaluating text characteristics. The second one is the selecting key points. After choosing or selecting and understanding the most relevant text, the next step is to make notes on the sections of the text that related to our chosen topic. For example, the selecting key points involves a number of interlinked skills. So this point or this lecture or this selecting key points deals with the identification of relevant information and ideas. Another writing stages characteristic is note making. Why note making is important? Note making important. The importance of note making is that effective note making is a key writing skill with a number of practical uses. Good note making techniques leads to accurate essays. The importance of the note making, it leads to accurate essays. Although we are the only person who will read our notes, clarity and organization are essential to save time and errors at the writing stage. Therefore, note making is very important. The next important elements of or techniques or characteristics of writing stages is paraphrasing. What is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing involves changing a text so that it is quite different from the source while keeping the meaning. This skill is important in several areas of academic work, but this unit focuses on using paraphrasing in note making and summary writing. So in the upcoming lectures, in the upcoming seminars, we'll dive into paraphrasing more deeply, more profoundly by providing examples. In the seminar, we'll discuss and in order to understand deeply and profoundly, we'll discuss and I will give you examples and we'll discuss it. Effective paraphrasing is vital in academic writing to avoid the risk of plagiarism. Another important writing stages is the summary writing. Summary writing is the process of condensing the main ideas of a text into a short form while retaining its essential points. Here's the stages of summary writing. The first one is like understanding the main idea. Then comes highlight key points. Then simplifying complex ideas, and we have to keep it brief when we summarize the writing, so that it is not like boring, so that it is not long. Another stage is the combining sources. So essays are common in academic settings and are used to assess a student's understanding of a subject, ability to think critically and proficiently in writing. Here is a guide to writing an effective essays. The first one is understanding the essay type, whether it is a discussion, whether it is a comparison, whether it is a argument. So we have to first understand the essay type. Then choose a topic. We have to choose a topic. Then we are going to conduct research on the chosen topic. Then the essential part of essay is the thesis statement. We have to focus on developing a thesis statement, and then we're going to create an outline. Then writing the introduction will be followed. Then the body paragraphs will be written, and at the end we are going to write the conclusion. So this is the like a structure of constructing of writing an essay or academic writing. So longer essays may include the following sections. So here we have provide the information about information about the structure of like short essays. Here's the long essays. Long essays is quite different from the short essays. Long essays may include literature review, experimental setup, methods, findings, results, case study, and discussion. Thank you very much for your attention, dear students. See you next time. Have a good day. Goodbye.